Y'all, we're switching it up from Monday Munchies to Bonnie's Keto Kitchen. Don't forget to vote on next week's community tab post on what recipe you want me to try. But today we're doing keto biscuits. Okay, I've preheated the oven to 350 and put some parchment paper on a cookie sheet. All right, in a bowl we have 1 egg. We're gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. And we're gonna whisk it up. Okay, in another bowl, we have a cup of finely ground almond flour. And we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Back to the bowl with the egg, sour cream, and salt. And we're gonna gently fold in the almond flour mixture. Y'all, does this look like it'll make 6 biscuits? I don't know. Now it says 2-inch scooper, but this is a 1-inch, I guess. I don't know how I'm gonna pull this off. I did put some avocado oil spray on here because we all know I burn things. Apparently my skills at math are not correct when it comes to just dividing this into 6. So I got 5.5 here. We're good, we're good. It says don't flatten them, so I'm not gonna. All right, here they are. We're gonna bake them for about 15 to 18 minutes, golden brown. By the way, you could probably use some cheddar cheese and then sprinkle some garlic powder and a little bit of parsley on there, make them possibly Cheddar Bay Biscuits. I don't know. In the oven they go. Okay, I just took them out of the oven. They look pretty good and I didn't burn them. But the bigger one definitely has seen its better days. It's a little flat. Okay, here's what it looks like. Now, it's not as super thick as I wanted it to be, and I also put a little bit of garlic powder and parsley on this part of it just to see if that would kind of give the Cheddar Bay biscuit flavor. I don't know, even though I didn't put cheddar cheese in there. Okay, here we go. That is so fluffy. Definitely a tad dry, but to be honest with you, these are just about perfect, especially for sandwiches, for breakfast. I'm gonna try the side with the garlic powder. Yes. Oh man, I wish I put cheddar cheese in here. That would be exactly like the Cheddar Bay biscuits. Oh my word. That's crazy. Okay, well, I'm going to be making Chick-fil-A chicken biscuits like they do in the next video. Also, don't forget to hit the community tab and vote in the poll for next week's Bonnie Keto Kitchen. If you want another great, easy recipe, I'll put one up here. Otherwise, thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell. I'll see you guys next time.